In this tutorial, we'll talk about customizing some graphical elements of CHT core. So we'll be covering branding, partner logos, header tab icons, and app icons. In CHT, you have the ability to modify the app title, logo, and favicon. So here you can see medic favicon, and the title is testing for this current project, and you can also see the medic logo over here. So we can change this in the CHT. The first step is to create a branding.json file in your project folder if you don't have one already existing. So here I have this project name branding_testing. So first of all, I will just create new file branding.json here. Now in this JSON file, I can have title for my project, and I will use my app name, and similarly the other is going to be resources. And first I'll use logo for my project, and whatever the file that I have that I want to use for the logo should be named over here. So for this project, I would like to use the CHT image, that PNG that I have. So I do not have that inside my project folder yet, but I do know the file name. So it's going to be CHT_image.png, and I will also use the same icon for favicon. Now I have this. I will save this. The next step is to create a folder in the file structure for the branding. Like I said, I do not have the CHT image currently, but that somewhere has to be inside the project. So I will create a new folder called branding. Here now inside my project I see the branding folder, and I'll be moving that image inside my branding folder. To upload the branding, what I can do is run the command CHT my URL with the accept self-signed certs and upload as branding. Okay, so branding completed. Now if I go back, I'll refresh this page. Now you can see the logo has changed, and you can also see on top over here, now instead of showing testing, it says my app name, and you can also see the favicon icon has changed over here. So the logo over here does not look perfectly fine, but you can adjust the logo as per your requirement, and I hope you got the idea how this can be changed. You can also change the branding using the admin interface. So let's log into your CHT project using the admin credential, which is default medic, and password is password. So here I'll go to app management, and as you can see on the left, there is an option for images, and you can see the header over here that shows branding. Now similar to what we did earlier in the JSON file, You can change the title of your app by entering the app name here, and you can change the logo by updating the image that you would like to update the logo with. Similarly, with the small icon and large icon, you can change the image accordingly. Here you are also given suggestion that the icon should be of 32 by 32 pixel .ico file if you want to change it to the small icon. After you submit, you should be able to see your changes.